Welcome. In this video, you will learn how using key performance indicators, or KPIs, in manufacturing can help you improve performance in sales, engineering, production, and logistics. It takes leadership and teamwork to make them effective, but modern cloud technology can also play a major part. Manufacturers are great at quality control and balancing customer expectations with design, materials, process engineering, and costs. They're constantly getting even faster and better at it, thanks to advances in technology such as vision measuring systems. KPIs are business tools used by food and beverage, capital equipment, high-tech, cosmetics, and electrical products manufacturers. They enable you to monitor your business activities and performance, document your successes and challenges, and make better management decisions. There can be too much of a good thing, though. Information overload becomes a real problem when the most important nuggets of intelligence are buried in vast amounts of data. There's almost no limit to the number of measurements your business could make. But in each industry, there's a relatively small number of metrics that are essential for monitoring the overall health of the business. These measurements are often gathered into a dashboard display. This graphical display will give executives and managers an at-a-glance picture that helps them zero in quickly on opportunities or challenges. And they can access the dashboard and KPIs via mobile devices for anytime, anywhere access. Most manufacturing management software, sometimes called MRP or ERP systems, offers this kind of executive dashboard system with a variety of predefined KPIs. Users across the company can pull together and tweak the KPIs to fit their specific situation. Thanks to the cloud, we're now working in the golden age of business intelligence and KPIs. Only cloud deployment offers the connectivity, integration, security, scalability, and capacity to harness your data and analytics and make them available wherever and whenever they're needed. You have the data you need in the office or in the field, on phones, tablets, and PCs. Here are some KPIs that are particularly important in manufacturing. As plan versus actual hours and cost data accumulates, trends can be identified to provide early warning of improving or deteriorating performance. Comparing different areas of the plant, different processes, and different products can offer clues to how to improve overall results. Lean manufacturing does not emphasize utilization. It is better to have idle equipment than to overproduce or build ahead of the need. That said, there is real value in planning optimum utilization of available resources. Resource load balancing can also generate lower costs and improve on-time completions. At a more granular level, monitoring production schedules offers better insight into workflow and resource utilization. The manufacturing dashboard, shown here, is the starting point for defining a display of released orders in the plant and the current location and status of each. This example of sales and profitability by item class and item illustrates the power of KPIs to sort and summarize masses of data to provide insights you can use to better understand your business. Some customers can be highly profitable, while others might actually cost more than the revenue they generate. The same is true for products. The good news is that today's KPI dashboards are truly flexible, adaptable, and user-driven. Acumatica's powerful cloud-based tools provide reporting, dashboards, and data analytics that enable you to maintain the right KPIs for your business. It's easy to learn more about your manufacturing KPI options. Contact us for a demo of how Acumatica ERP can meet your needs. Also, visit Acumatica.com to learn more about the overall benefits of a cloud-based manufacturing and management system.